Earning money from online marketplaces involves selling products or services through platforms that connect buyers and sellers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money from online marketplaces. 1. Choose your niche. Decide what products or services you want to sell. You can offer physical goods, digital products, handmade crafts, vintage items, or even services like freelance writing or graphic design. 2. Research online marketplaces. Identify suitable online marketplaces for your niche. Some popular options include Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, and specialized marketplaces like Redbubble for art or ThemeForest for website themes. 3. Set up your store. Create an account on the chosen marketplace. Set up your store profile, including a catchy store name, logo, and a brief description of what you offer. 4. Product listing. Create compelling product listings that include clear images, detailed descriptions, pricing, and shipping information. Highlight the features and benefits of your products to attract potential buyers. 5. Competitive pricing. Research similar products on the marketplace to determine competitive pricing. Your pricing should be attractive to buyers while also ensuring you cover your costs and make a profit. 6. High-quality imagery. Use high-quality images that showcase your products from different angles. Good images can significantly impact a buyer's decision-making process. 7. Shipping and logistics. Decide on your shipping options, costs, and delivery times. Clear and transparent shipping information helps build trust with customers. 8. Payment methods. Choose and set up payment methods for your online marketplace store. Most platforms offer various secure payment options. 9. SEO and keywords. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords. This helps your products appear in search results when potential buyers are looking for similar items. Discounts. Offer occasional promotions, discounts, or bundled deals to attract more buyers and encourage repeat purchases. 11. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service by promptly answering inquiries, addressing concerns, and resolving issues. Positive interactions can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. 12. Packaging and presentation. Pay attention to your packaging. Thoughtful packaging and presentation can create a positive unboxing experience for customers, increasing the likelihood of positive reviews and referrals. 13. Marketing and promotion. Promote your online marketplace store through social media, email marketing, and other online channels. Engage with potential customers and create a brand presence. 14. Analyze and adjust. Regularly analyze your sales, customer feedback, and analytics provided by the marketplace. Adjust your strategies based on this data to improve your offerings. 15. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest trends in your niche and the marketplace itself. Adapt your product offerings and strategies to align with changing demands. 16. Build your brand. Over time, work on building your brand identity. This can lead to customer loyalty and a strong reputation in your chosen marketplace. Selling on online marketplaces can be a profitable venture, but it requires careful planning, attention to detail, and consistent effort. By offering high-quality products, excellent customer service, and effective marketing, you can establish a successful online marketplace presence and generate income.